loves, I'm back with another vlog, and today I am actually in Atlanta. Right now I'm in College Park getting ready to visit some family, but I'm in Atlanta and my whole prime focus of being here is to look for land because we are getting ready to build our dream home. If you are new here, my name is Shakira Malisho. I create lifestyle content as well as motherhood and entrepreneur content. If that is something that you're interested in, please continue to watch, hit the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And if you're not new here, welcome back. I appreciate all the love, all the support. You guys don't know how much it means to me when you send me encouraging words telling me to keep going and you love what I do. It's just an awesome feeling, and I'm just so thankful for y'all. I'm currently in Atlanta looking at land because we are going to be building our dream home here. If you've been following my journey for quite some years now, the first home that we have is going to be our first investment property that we are going to be renting out to tenants. So we're just trying to get our current home in order, get it ready to be put on the market to rent, and kind of move on from that and move into our dream home. Our family is growing. I'm not pregnant, but we are getting a dog, and we possibly want to get 2 dogs. And with Zuri just walking and rolling around the house, our house is getting smaller. So it's time for us to move on, and it's time for us to upgrade. So that's literally what I'm actively doing. Unfortunately, my husband could not be with me on this trip, so I'm doing a solo trip. I drove. So I'm here with my dad, and we are looking at different areas. I have about 8 different cities that I'm trying to see in 3 days, and I have a meeting with a realtor. So I'm going to be bringing you all on the journey. So I came over here to Boucane's Barbecue over here in East Point. They have 5-star ratings on Yelp for their barbecue. So I'm going to try it, see what it's talking about, and get some more fuel in my system before we go to some more areas. I believe we're going to go to Lawrenceville and Dakota next. Right there, all of that.
You gonna show them? All this is the lot?
Yep.
That's right.
So here's a lot. I love how it goes up to the top. So I can have like the long driveway, and then the house can sit up at the top and hide behind all the trees, because the house next to it, they have theirs gated going all the way up into the top, and then like you could barely see the house. That is like ideal for me. I do not want a house that's like out in the open. I want privacy, I want seclusion, I want it to feel like a getaway. Day 2 of my land house hunting tour. I'm currently in Douglasville, Georgia. I did see a lot. It's about half of an acre for about $20,000. So I came over to see it, and I'm in love. I'm gonna kind of show y'all a little bit what it looks like. So this is the entire lot. It's a little over half of an acre. And the houses, of course, they're just immaculate. that are already established in the area. And this is like the type of style of neighborhood that I would be in if I was to choose a subdivision. So this will definitely work. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more of the lot. So the house that we're building is not gonna be like freakishly huge, but big enough to do everything that we want. And one of the main things that I'm looking for is making sure that the land has a drop off, because what I'm noticing with a lot of the new construction homes, custom homes today, they do not have basements. So a big key factor in us finding the perfect lot is making sure that the land actually drops off so that we could build a walkout basement. And a lot of these homes in this established area already have a basement. So this is perfect. So what I'm noticing about Atlanta, you definitely need to go to the outskirts when it comes to getting land. I'm from Cincinnati, so a lot like this cost about $200,000 to $300,000. Whereas in Georgia, going on the outskirts of Atlanta, this exact lot right here is $20,000 for me to build my dream house on. So this is why I'm going the building route this time. Of course, if I found a resale that had exactly all of the specs that I want, we're open to that. But I definitely want to go the custom build route so that I can get exactly everything that I want. So I have an open house to go to today in Dallas, Georgia, to look at a pre-existing subdivision, just to kind of get an idea. It's called Parent Homes, Parent Home Builders. I did do some research on them. I did find one of their models on YouTube, absolutely loved it. And they do have it open for me to be able to go look at their Georgetown model today. So I'm gonna do that around 1:30 and then just kind of drive you all around. I am going up north, like Tacula, Lawrenceville, and like Cartersville, Norcross area to kind of see what they have out there. But I wanted to get my feet on the actual ground to kind of get an estimate of exactly how much acres is required and get a feel for the area and see which one would be the best for our family. So here's one more lot. This is in the Holly Spring Estates subdivision. I really like this one because the houses aren't super close together. They're very spread out. Very, very spread out. That's another one too. And it's an established community. The schools are like 9 out of 10 private schools, top of the line schools. So that's a big plus. It's giving, this is the type of neighborhood that I definitely need to be in. Finally made it to Publix. We're at Oakley Point and Dallas. So these homes are starting in the 400s. Y'all, this is literally like $1 million in Cincinnati, which is just insane. Information sheets. realtor was very nice. Gave us some more recommendations as far as where to look for custom homes, as well as the specs that I'm looking for. So we're gonna go drive around, try to see what we can find.